What if I told you that your credit score could be the difference between getting approved for your dream home or getting rejected in seconds? Between paying 3% interest or 12%? Between financial freedom or financial stress? The good news: you don't need years to improve your credit score. You can start seeing improvement in as little as 30 to 60 days, if you know exactly what to do. In today's video, I'll show you proven strategies to improve your credit score fast, step by step. Let's get started. What is a credit score? Your credit score is basically a number that tells banks and lenders how trustworthy you are with money. The most widely used scoring model is the FICO score, which ranges from 300 to 850. Here's how it breaks down. 300 to 579 is poor. 580 to 669 is fair. 670 to 739 is good. 740 to 799 is very good. 800 to 850 is excellent. The higher your score, the better interest rates and loan approvals you get. Now let's talk about how this score is calculated. How credit scores are calculated. Your credit score is based on 5 main factors. 1. Payment history, 35%. Do you pay on time? 2. Credit utilization, 30%. How much of your credit limit are you using? 3. Length of credit history, 15%. 4. New credit inquiries, 10%. 4. Credit mix, 10%. If you want to improve your score fast, focus mainly on the first two: payment history and credit utilization. That's where the biggest impact happens quickly. Step by step. How to improve your credit score fast. Number 1. Pay all bills on time. No exceptions. This is non-negotiable. Even one late payment can drop your score significantly. Set up autopay, payment reminders, calendar alerts. If you already missed a payment, call your lender and request a goodwill adjustment. Sometimes they'll remove a late mark if you have a good history. Consistency is power. Number 2. Lower your credit utilization immediately. Credit utilization means how much of your available credit you're using. Example: if your limit is $10,000 and you're using $8,000, that's 80% utilization. That's high and risky in lenders' eyes. You should aim for 1. Below 30%, good. 2. Below 10%, excellent. How to fix it fast. 3. Pay down credit card balances aggressively. 4. Make multiple payments per month. 5. Request a credit limit increase, but don't increase spending. This alone can raise your score within 30 to 45 days. Number 3. Check your credit report for errors. Many people lose points because of mistakes on their credit report. Common errors. 1. Wrong late payments. 2. Accounts that don't belong to you. 3. Incorrect balances. In the US, you can get free reports from annualcreditreport.com. If you find an error: 1. File a dispute online. 2. Provide proof. 3. Follow up consistently. Fixing errors can boost your score quickly. Number 4. Don't close old credit cards. Even if you don't use an old card, keep it open. Why? Because closing it: 1. Reduces your total available credit. 2. Increases your utilization ratio. 3. Shortens your credit history. Just keep it active by using it for a small purchase every few months. Number 5. Avoid too many hard inquiries. Every time you apply for a loan or credit card, it creates a hard inquiry. Too many applications in a short period can hurt your score. Be strategic. Only apply when necessary. If you're rate shopping for a car or home loan, do it within a short window. Scoring models often treat multiple inquiries as one. Number 6. Become an authorized user. If someone you trust has 1. A long credit history. 2. Perfect payment record. 3. Low utilization. Ask them to add you as an authorized user. Their positive history can reflect on your report and boost your score faster. Make sure it's someone financially responsible. Number 7. Consider a secured credit card. If your credit is very low or you're just starting out, a secured card can help. You deposit money as collateral, and the bank gives you a credit line. Use it responsibly, pay in full every month, and you'll build credit safely. How fast can your score improve? If you 1. Pay down balances. 2. Fix errors. 3. Make on-time payments. You could see improvement in 30 to 90 days. But remember, building excellent credit is a marathon, not a sprint. What not to do? Avoid these. 1. Credit repair scams promising instant 100-point boosts. 2. Closing all your cards. 3. Ignoring collections. 4. Missing even one payment. There are no shortcuts, only smart strategies. Your credit score is not just a number. It's your financial reputation. Start today. Take action. Lower your balances. Pay on time. Check your report. And watch your score rise. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs better credit in their life. See you in the next one.